This is a real signal. Okay, this is a real signal. This is so this real signal is time varying in nature. Okay, so it's time varying in nature, and this is its amplitude. So as the time is progressing, the value of the signal is also progressing forward. Amplitude is changing. Okay, now this signal has different components. So this signal can be has different components. So this signal is made up of from different frequencies. So let's say we have some frequencies of 1 hertz and some frequencies of 2 hertz. Okay, this is its amplitude. Okay, magnitude. Okay, magnitude or amplitude, and this is frequency going this way. Now this also has a time domain associated with it, but you have to plot this graph in three-dimensional. Okay, so this frequency is also varying, but in this similarly this is also varying. Okay, but in time domain structure. So you get a different so if you are looking at the voltage level and you are seeing it as points made up from the amplitude of the signal, then you get this uh, view. But if you transform this view, if you map this view into frequency domain, you get the individual frequency components of the signal. So I am supposing that this signal is made up from two frequencies of 1 hertz and 2 hertz. So you get individual components of the signal, and you also get a very high, get a very high 0 hertz signal, so whose amplitude is very large as compared to the individual frequencies. So you can neglect this. Okay, you can neglect this. Now this mapping from the real domain, time domain to the frequency domain is done using discrete using Fourier transform. Now Fourier now this is now Fourier said that any wave. Now what Fourier said is this wave can be broken into its individual components. So what he means was you can break the components into its individual components by using Fourier transform. So he represented all the waves into a sine, into a series of uh, Euler number, which is represented by e to the power of iota mm, s, uh, where where this term is actually cos s. Okay, so e to the power of iota alpha